Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks with Sai. Before going to launch virtual machine in AWS using EC2, we need to understand one simple thing. What is virtual machine? Let me explain it in the simplest way possible. A virtual machine is like a computer inside another computer. It runs its own operating system and apps, just like your personal laptop. And it is very much separated from the main system. It is not a dependent on the main system. Let me make it simple by connecting it to our real life analogy. Think a physical machine as a building and virtual machine as flats in the building. Like that, each flat has furniture, people, and keys, and it is only sharing the common building structure. Like that, our virtual machine is also having own set of rules and regulations. It is not dependent on our physical machine. It has own set of keys and it has own set of access which will allow and which is not allow, and it has one set of security. It is not. Now let's understand how your virtual machine works inside a physical computer. VM setup includes these key parts. First one is host OS. This is a real hardware, which is like our personal laptop or any cloud provider service. And next one is hypervisor. This is a special software that creates and manages our virtual machines. It allocates CPU and memory and storage to our virtual machines. Hypervisor has two types. Type 1, a bare metal, runs directly on hardware, and second one runs directly on our host OS. It is a virtual box in our laptop. And third one is OS. It is a virtual computer. It has its own OS like Linux or Windows, and it has CPU, RAM, which is virtually assigned by the hypervisor. And it runs the apps normally, just like our physical hardware. Here I am giving the simple architecture diagram of the virtual machine. So whenever we are launching an EC2 instance, means we are creating a virtual machine by using our AWS hypervisor layer. So why we use VMs in the cloud? You can run multiple VMs on a single server, so we can save the cost, and you can easily scale up or down. Whenever we have a huge amount of requests coming to our server, we can scale up. When things go back normal, we can scale down. Scalability feature is there. And we can separate our workloads according to our dev environment, test environment, production environment. And most, it's flexible. You can start, stop, or delete anytime. Whenever there is a no requirement, you can stop or delete the EC2 instances. In AWS, a virtual machine is called EC2 instance. In the next video, I will explain about what EC2 is, and then we will launch our own virtual machine in AWS step by step. So don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Talks with Sai if you are serious about starting your cloud journey. See you then.